Hi, my name is Ykchan and today I'm presenting about how artificial intelligence and big data bring new opportunities and challenges to distributed systems. This presentation is on history and evolution of AI and big data, opportunities and challenges of AI and big data in distributed computing and how distributed computing can help to overcome these challenges. But first, let's take a look into the introduction of AI, big data, and distributed computing. AI is form of computing systems that allows machines to perform cognitive functions. Big data form refers to large sets of complex data, both structured and unstructured, and contains 5 characteristics or 5V: volume, velocity, variety, value and veracity. A distributed computing is a field of computer science which refers to the use of distributed systems to solve computational problems by one or more computers, which then communicate and coordinate their actions via message passing. How these fields of computing systems interconnected? AI requires data to build its intelligent system like the machine learning system, whereas distributed computing allows data sharing between AI systems connected to the networks. What is the history and evolution of AI? AI had a rich history back from the ancient Greek era to the proposal of Turing machine and Turing test by Alan Turing. The term artificial intelligence was first adopted at the 1956 Dartmouth Conference organized by John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky. After that, in 1970, the first AI winter period occurred due to lack of funding for AI research. After a recession, AI returns in the form of a program named Expert Systems in 1981. When this Expert Systems fall and an economic bubble occurred in 1990s, AI faces its second winter period. AI has grown tremendously from the moment Deep Blue, an IBM supercomputer, defeated Garry Kasparov, a world chess champion, to the development of human intelligent Asimo robot, and now the introduction of AlphaGo, an AI which can play games on top of human. Meanwhile, AI has evolved from the limited scope ONI to a more advanced AGI, which will in future will phased out to the final stage of AI explosion, ACI. AI had a rich history back from the ancient Greek era to the proposal of Turing machine and Turing test by Alan Turing. Colossus was developed by the British during World War II to decipher Nazi codes in intercepted messages, and this was followed by the development of the first data center by the United States government in 1965 for storing millions of tax returns and fingerprint sets in magnetic tape. The early use of the term big data was in a 1989 magazine article by Eric Larson, who commented on advertisers' use of data to target customers. Meanwhile, the term big data was coined by Roger Magalhaes and launched by O'Reilly Media back in 2005. On the same year, Hadoop was developed by Yahoo on top of Google MapReduce that can process big data from various sources. The Indian government began a project in 2009 to store fingerprint and iris scans of all its citizens in the largest biometric database ever created. Since the Big Data 1.0 technology was introduced in 1994, it has evolved into an advanced Big Data 2.0 incarnation in 2005 for machine learning capabilities and Big Data 3.0 in 2015 for an advanced data analytic. Now, let's talk about the opportunities and challenges of AI and big in distributed computing. The first opportunity come in the form of distributed artificial intelligence, where it merges artificial intelligence and distributed computing into its system. It is on the rise due to its openness to offer an efficient resource management and a higher computational speed while becoming more scalable and robust. Most of the challenges faced by DI comes in the form of questions: how to formulate the architectures of multi-agent systems, how to enable agents to communicate with each other, and how to ensure coherence in local decisions made by agents to guarantee desired outcomes. Due to the decision-making process in strategic planning is too complex for conventional system to handle due to multiplex procedure, it led to the discovery of the CPCA framework for a more intelligent, distributed decision-making system. Like DI system, The questions regarding the intelligent distributed computing are how to design the system properly to achieve global coherence through interaction of individual entities, and how to design a system that learn continually in a dynamic environment while ensuring an efficient decision-making process. Two fields that take advantage of big data implementation in distributed systems are digital forensics and bioinformatics. A distributed system will help the investigators to perform data aggregation and investigation of the large dataset in a rapid pace, and also help to perform a faster sequential biorelated data analysis to reduce total. The challenges faced by both of the researched fields are regarding the algorithms involved in analyzing the digital and biorelated data to compute the competitive results. Cognitive analytics can provide a better information queries for context-based hypotheses, while social media analytics can provide organizations an insight into their business needs. The challenges faced by both data analytics techniques are integration of data in rapid changing situations and integration of data mining tools with current business regulation. There are other challenges faced by the implementation of AI and big data in distributed computing, such as the risk of violation of data security, privacy, and confidentiality, how to provide an efficient computation, load balancing and resource sharing between servers, and many more. Distributed computing will help to overcome these challenges through its goals of connecting users and resources, as well as openness and its transparency features. The introduction of parallel and grid computing technologies will also play a part in solving the issues faced. In a nutshell, for the AI and big data systems to reach its full potential, not only technological-based challenge required to be tackled with, but also the non-technical and ethical aspects, so that not only the government and business agencies can reap the benefits that both systems provide through its technologies, but also the global community. That's the end. Thank you.